This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Carla Malone. This beautiful rambler with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, sits on an almost half-acre ravine lot. Main level offers an open floor plan where you will find a great room with gas fireplace, dining area with patio doors to backyard deck. The kitchen has granite countertops, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, a wonderful walk-in pantry with lots of shelving and storage. This level also offers the master suite with lovely views of the backyard. The master bath has a whirlpool tub, separate shower, dual sinks, walk-in closet, plenty of storage, and the laundry is conveniently located right off this area as well. You will also find the second bedroom and a full bath on this level. The lower level has a large family room which walks out to the side yard patio, 2 more bedrooms, a full bath and large storage room. For more information,